Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening your CAD app and setting up the essentials so nothing breaks later. First, set units to millimeters and input your printer build volume. This prevents scaling errors. Next, create a new project folder and name it clearly. Then sketch the primary profile, apply dimensions and constraints so shapes stay parametric, and use extrude or revolve to make a solid. Once done, save iterations frequently so you can revert without losing work. Now refine the model so it prints reliably. You should add fillets and chamfers to reduce stress points and make layers adhere better. Use Boolean subtracts for precise cutouts. Make sure wall thickness matches your material and nozzle, commonly around 0. 8:1. 2 millimeters, because too thin produces weak parts. For big volumes, hollow the piece with uniform shell thickness and add small escape holes. Once those edits are finished, double-check overhang angles and incorporate built-in tabs or bridges to reduce supports. Finally, export your model and prepare it for the printer. Export as SDL or 3MF and run a mesh repair to fix inverted normals or non-manifold edges. This prevents slicer failures. Import into your slicer, set layer height and infill percent, choose support type and print temperature that matches filament. Once sliced, preview layers and simulate. If prints fail, test a small section, change orientation or support settings, and if necessary, tweak the CAD geometry. A quick rework usually fixes warping or adhesion problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.